Welcome to Art and Animation Tutor. In this tutorial we are going to learn about stroke path. Add a new layer. Select Pen tool. And draw a path on new layer as shown in video. It should be spiral. Using Direct Selection tool, make some changes to the path. Right-click on the path and select Stroke Path. A property box will pop up. Select Brush. You will see the brush is applied to stroke path. Now go to Path panel and delete path. Now go back to Layers and apply Mask on stroke path. We want the spiral lines around the lady. For that we will hide some part using black and white color. Select Mask and using Brush tool start painting with black on the part which we want to hide. Follow the steps. Now right-click on the path layer and select Blending Options. Change the blend mode to Screen. Select Outer Glow. Select the color you want. Change the values as shown in the video. See the result. This was a quick effect method, hope you like it. Don't forget to comment what you want to learn next. We will make a tutorial for you. Thanks for watching. If you like our tutorial, do like, share and comment. Don't forget to subscribe and click on bell icon to get notification on new tutorial upload.